Hi everyone, welcome to Raaonline. So today we are going to see a case study series pertaining to the Borrelia infection. So in the last class we have seen about the theoretical aspect of this particular Borrelia infection. So now I will show you a case scenario and I will show you an image. So let us solve the particular question one by one. So let us go into the topic now. So here you are going to see a 25-year-old female who attended medicine OPD with a complaint of fever for the past 4 days. And he had similar episode for fever for the past 10 days back. And on examination, petechial rash was present. The blood sample was subjected to peripheral smear examination, which showed the following finding. So here, you are able to see peripheral blood smear, and you are able to see RBC. You are able to see WBC. So apart from that, we are also able to see this particular structure. So we are able to see this particular spiral structure. So here we have the case of fever for the past 4 days and similar episodes of fever 10 days back. So here there is going to be the recurrence of this particular fever. So it is giving us a clue. So what kind of fever we are dealing with. On the same patient, the particular blood sample was subjected to the test and we are able to see this particular structure. Why it is called as relapsing fever? So in the name itself, the meaning is there. So the patient is going to have fever for some 4 to 5 days. Again, there is going to be a period of no fever or afebrile phase, and again the patient is going to have fever for the next 4 to 5 days. And this particular afebrile phase can last for 10 to 14 days. That is why it is called as relapsing fever. So there is going to be the relapsing of this particular fever once in 10 to 14 days. So it can happen up to 10 cycles. If untreated, the patient can go for various hemorrhagic manifestation, and even the patient can go for something like meningitis and encephalitis, which can complicate this particular condition.